Here we have a lady in her mid-50s. We are assessing her lips. As we age, there is significant loss of volume in the lips, and as we get older, our volume of our lips flatten out, the volume of the tissue around the lips flatten out, and there are lines and wrinkles which form, giving us an aging appearance. Here she is having her filtral columns, the ridges under the nares. These are marked out and they will be injected in an A-frame manner to build it up. The lips are marked above and below, where boluses of filler are injected at specific points to evert and plump the edges. This is the Precision method. The product we are using in this lady is called Juvederm Ultra XC. It contains a soft substance called hyaluronic acid. It occurs naturally in the body and has a soft and compatible feel to it. Anesthetic is mixed in, and hence when injected, pain is minimized. Here, the edges of the lip are injected and plumped up at several points in what we call the Precision method. As mentioned, the hyaluronic acid has local anesthetic mixed in and is often very well tolerated, especially with a fine short beveled needle such as this. Once the edges are done above and below, here the body of the lip is injected. This is to plump up. After the edges of the lips are injected with Juvederm Ultra to help evert these edges, this lady is receiving serial punctures of the substance into the body of the lip. This really helps give it a more full and voluminous look. As you can see, the needle is extremely small, and with the local anesthetic mixed in, it's extremely well tolerated. It is important that attention is paid to the frame around the lips. With age, there is loss of volume above, below, and just lateral to the lips. Here, the lateral edges, or oral commissures, are volumized. And now here, just below the lip, where there's often a deficit, thin lines of the Juvederm Ultra is injected there, just to give it a more youthful and natural look. Just beforehand, but not seen in this clip, lines above the lips are volumized as well. It stops those little, what we call barcodes above the lips. Finally, it is massaged into an even and smooth appearance, giving a more natural and youthful look to not just the lips, but also the area around the lips.
And also it was all sort of quite simple and straightforward.